What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Fade Master, back with another video. And today I got something special for the barbers, man. Today, I'm gonna give y'all some real game, so pay close attention. There are a few lessons in this barber game that most barbers just simply learn too late. These 3 lessons that I'm gonna talk about literally changed my career, my income, and my overall peace of mind. And if you learn these lessons early, it's gonna save you years of frustration. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, y'all, welcome to the Fade Master YouTube channel. My name is AJ, aka the Fade Master, a barber out here in Los Angeles, California. And look, on this channel, I like to talk all things barber, business, money, and mindset. So if any of those are of interest to you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get alerted when I post a new video. All right, y'all, so look, I've been a barber for about 10 years now, right? So I have my fair share of experience in this industry. And what I want to do is share some of that knowledge with you of the lessons that I've learned in my journey. But before we get into it, make sure y'all stay to the end of this video, because at the end, I got something special for you guys and I think you're gonna like it. Okay, bro, let's get into it. The first lesson is simple. Run your business or it will run you. So this is a lesson I learned in the beginning of my barber career. I remember fresh out of barber school, I went to a barber shop, right? And the owner of the shop, he was like an OG barber, right? He's been a barber for a while, so I wanted some advice. So I asked him yo, if you could give me any advice, what would it be? And he kept it simple. He said, run your business or it will run you. And I kept that shit in mind this whole time. And as I went on and progressed in my career, I knew exactly what he was talking about. If you don't set boundaries and expectations, clients will push every limit that you allow them to. They will show up late. They will cancel last minute. They will not show up at all. They'll disrespect your time and your prices. And worst of all, they'll think it's normal. You have to teach people how to treat you and your business. That means clear policies, clear communication, clear consequences, and holding your ground. And here's the truth that most barbers avoid, right? When you start enforcing boundaries, you naturally weed out the people who don't respect them. And that's a good thing, because the ones who stay are the clients who actually respect your boundaries, respect your business, and ultimately respect you. Lesson number 2, you can fire clients just like they can fire you. If a client becomes a liability to your business, your energy, and your overall mental peace, you don't have to keep them. You don't owe anyone unlimited access to you, business or personal. I fired clients before, bro, trust me, respectfully. Every time I do that, it creates space for better clients. The last time that I had to fire a client, it was a client that was just always late. And I'm talking about late, bro, 30 minutes late, 35 minutes late all the time. So after a while, I would tell him yo, bro, you need to start coming on time. He'd be like, okay, yeah, I got you, but he never did. So one day I told him, look, bro, this is starting to become a pattern. You're always late. And I just want to give you the best haircut possible. But when you come late, it's hard for me to do that because I either have to A, rush your haircut, or B, be late for my next client. So he was like, okay, cool, yeah, I got you. So then the next haircut, he literally did it again. So I finished cutting his hair, and afterwards, I just told him that, look, man, this is gonna be the last time that I can cut your hair. We can still be cool and everything. It's no bad blood, but it's just business. And, I can't trust you to show up on time, so I can't trust you as a client. And, obviously, he was salty about it, but I had to do what I had to do. Then I just kind of blocked him on my style sheet. It's funny because actually now he's my client again. After a couple of months, he had reached out to me and he said, yo, bro, I'm gonna start being on time. Can I come back? And I was like, yeah, I got you, bro. Because it's no hard feelings. It's just business. So stand on your business and stand on your boundaries, and you'll have a much better time at this. Last but not least, lesson number 3. Now, this lesson is controversial, but it's the truth. In the shop, I'm not talking about outside the shop. I'm not talking about anywhere else. But in the shop, you don't have friends, bro. You have clients. Now listen, you can be cool with your clients. You should be building relationships. Look, I have clients who became legit friends, so I'm not saying you can't be friends with your clients. But here's a trap that most barbers fall into. They get too comfortable. Barbers start talking crazy. They start showing up late, cutting corners, pun intended, and they let their professionalism slide. Simply because that client is your friend. But when that line gets blurry between client and friend, that's when the professionalism slips. And that's when your business suffers. You can be yourself, bro. You can laugh, you can joke, talk life, but never let that comfort come at the cost of how you run your business. Friendship is cool, bro, but professionalism required. All right, y'all, those were the 3 lessons that most barbers learn too late. And trust me, if you take these lessons seriously and apply them now, you're gonna save yourself years of headache and heartache. So if this video has helped you, make sure you drop a like and make sure you tell me in the comments, bro, which lesson hit you the hardest or which one of these lessons have you had to learn the hard way. And just like I promised, man, for those of y'all that stayed to the end of this video, I got something special for y'all. I just came out with a new ebook called the 6-Figure Barber Playbook. I'm not teaching you guys how to do a fade. I'm teaching you guys the business of barbering, the mindset and the frameworks it takes to be a 6-figure barber. So if you guys want something like that, the link is in the description below. And yeah, man, I think that's all I got for y'all. Thank you so much for watching my content and watching my channel. You know, I enjoy making these videos, so I hope you find value in them. It's your boy, the Fade Master. Peace.